car. Oh, it's pretty low mileage. Spec car. Looks like a bone stock. R33 GTR. Hello, new car. Super owner now. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. Let's start the day with washing my car. I haven't washed for like 2 weeks and super bad pollen. I would say it's dirty. It's a pollen season. Such a bad dust. Alright, let's wash it and start the day. I got agenda today. I'm going to inspect one of the car for customer. So we're gonna go to this shop real quick. I will see you guys there. So I'm just on my way to this car dealership. I'm going to inspect one car. It's an ER34 for customer. So if you're looking to buy a car in Japan and you want me to inspect it before we buy it, I can do that too. Or you already found some, or you know someone you're trying to buy from, I can go inspect for you too, if it's not like crazy far. This customer reached out to me on Instagram. He already found this car on website. He's really interested, but he want me to inspect it before he actually purchased it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So if there's no heating issues or rust issue, or getting all the picture and videos as much as I can, start it up, hear the motor, feel the transmission, take all the undercarriage and any hidden damages, whatnot. So let me know if you have any cars you already found some in Japan that want me to go inspect it too. I can do that too. And if this person decides to buy it, we're gonna store it at my yard. So it's a good investment. If you guys are trying to buy R34, I would assume this is the last year price stays like this. Who knows, maybe that next year it'll be a double the price. First R34 will be eligible next year, 2023. So this person's doing it right, investing in the right time. So I'll see you guys at the car shop. Oh, this shop has so many S chassis and Skylines. Be sick. Inspecting this car today. It's an ER34 with the base I blue painted. Gotta inspect undercarriage and motor and all that. So I'm here at Garage Yard today. I inspected that ER34 undercarriage and how the paint condition and all that. It looked good. Just gonna forward it to my customer, see if he's wanna buy it. But let's go check out this shop though. They got some cool cars for sale. Still 80, 2 mil, 20 grand. Spec car in the van, option aero. Nismo wheels. S15 front end, 180. Boom. That's a cool one. Cool stock fender spec car. S15s are over 20 grand. Woo. This one is like over 30 grand. Oh, it's pretty low mileage. Spec car. Looks like a bone stock. What about this? This is also a spec car. Ooh, I like this Brembo brake. This is Varietta. Damn, the open car with the cool arrow. Another stocky spec car. Over 40 grand. Even in Japan. Okay, spec S. Probably swapped. Turbo, 5-speed. Over 20 grand. And this is looking cool. Zenki S14. Again, like a good drift spec. Spec S, G package. What's G package? Oh, it's G, it's not B package. This is 5-speed NA. Still over 10 grand. Oh, look at this cheap one. Got it out. NA, 5-speed. High mileage too. Then here's the Skylines. V35, you would say? Yeah, automatic NA. Under 2 grand. And then Z's. Some Z's are cool. And here's the March. Nissan March Nismo. Another one. Nissan March Nismo. A cool K car. Is that K car? Oh, Stasia. Didn't notice. RS. This is how a stock Stasia look like. Okay. R33 GTR. Look at that. Big booty. Laurel C35. I want this. It's so hard to find a Laurel. Wonder if it's 5-speed already. Let's see. It is 5-speed. Wait. Oh, it's NA 5-speed. Jeez, it's NA 5-speed over 15 grand. Another Laurel, probably sold. 180. Another Z. This one is like 20 grand. Drift spec S14. They got lineups. 14, 15, 13 Z's. Okay, what's your guys' favorite? What's your guys' favorite car out of this? What kind of tire is this? Yokohama Miri. Another 40 grand. One owner spec car with the R32 BNR 32 wheels. Gay. What is that? Is that cover? Probably. They all got that anti-theft lock stain. I should put it on my cars. The Variettas though, so gangster. This one's clean. All the cars are clean here. Gotta get on their level. Came in R34, checking out R34. The owner was like, "Are you trying to sell your car?" Like, nah. But this is the car. I just checked it out. Total is gonna be Little under about 35 grand. Looks good though. So this was painted, repainted, and swapped transmission. So I wanted to make sure how that is, the paint condition and all that. And motor was stock, just has the coilovers and wheels. Checked out. Good. So checked out well. Let me know if you guys have any cars that you guys want me to inspect. I'm more than happy to help you guys get what you want, your dream car. Just filled up some Hayoku premium gas. Car looking too good. Look at that reflection. Let's do some B-roll of this. Well, that's it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the cars at the shop and get to know what I can do for you, inspect and purchase and store it for you. Hit me up on the Instagram at Kota and let me know what you guys are looking for. I'm more than happy to help you. And thanks for watching. As always, smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hello, new car. Subaru owner now.
Where's my phone?
Subaru owner. That's so gay. Well, GC8 Subaru. What is this called?
Impreza.
Impreza?
Yeah, it's a Subaru Impreza.
Subaru Impreza. Subaru Impreza. Alright, whatever, bro. What are we doing? So Adam sold it to his buddy in state, Florida.
Yeah, girlfriend.
His girlfriend, and I'm exporting it for him. We're just taking it to my yard. First Subaru at my house.
Hopefully the last.
Hopefully the last.
sucked away.
It smells like a coolant.
Yeah, they all do.
Let's go. Got my 180. Jeff's Cresta. Sexy ride. Taking this Mark II back too. Oh, can you guys see Subaru's in the yard? Yard's getting filled up.
Yo.
Well, this thing will be in state real soon, this month. Peace out. Jeff's sexy Cresta with underglow. Makes me want to get underglow. What do you guys think? Should I get underglow for my R34? Bye.